at Will's the other day, and you know, Glenn and I, we thought we'd go over and do the right thing. Checked his mail, checked that the house was alright, and all of a sudden, this weird guy shows up. He's like, "Hey fellas, I'm Mick James." So he pushes past me and Glenn, and he just comes in the house like everything's cool.
Nice place, Will.
So he's got these dirty cowboy boots on with all this mud on them. He sits down on the couch and he says,
Why not? Stretch out.
and then he starts grinding his muddy boots on the couch.
Yeah, I remember grinding my feet on Will's couch.
Remember why he did?
Because then he could buy another one.
Your couch! Your couch! Your couch! Buy a new one, you rich mother!
So Glenn and I are standing there and he's staring us right in the eye. And he's grinding all this mud in the couch. And I'm thinking to myself, that's not even my couch.
Buy a new one, you rich mother! Buy your couch! Your couch!
Come on, man. I'm not going to do things just to do them. I'm not going to get up and grind my feet up on someone's couch just for something to do. I mean, I got a little more sense than that. Yeah, I remember grinding my feet up on Will's couch. Come on, man. I'm not going to do things just to do them. I'm not going to get up and grind my feet up on someone's couch just for something to do. I mean, I got a little more sense than that. Yeah, I remember grinding my feet up on Will's couch.
Buy a new one, you rich mother!
So Glenn and I had enough. We're thinking we're gonna sort this out. So Glenn and I went over, Glenn held him down, and I wailed on his legs big time.
Darkness, evil, black magic, dirt, mean mother, damn, dirty, evil, wakeboarding, God of war, sequence will, delirious mother. What am I gonna do without my legs, Will? What am I gonna do without my legs? I mean, kicked out of better homes than this. We should have never gave you money, Will. You don't know how to appreciate shit. Oh, you're as cold as ice.
Glenn and I stand there and he's crawling off down the street. And Glenn's got a lot more compassion than I do. He's like, "Man, Mick really needs some help." And I'm like, "Man, we just gave him some help." That's gonna be the last time he comes up into Will's house and disrespects his stuff. Wrong. Wrong. Man, we're talking about Mick James.
Cocaine's one hell of a drug.
Give it to me, baby. Give it to me. Betcha.